Hi guys, Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up?
Here at Wrapsesh, sweating it out in the middle of the summer.
Hot as balls in here, yeah.
You can't say that.
I can say balls, yeah.
Okay, so anyways, this is a really cool project that we've been in the works with We Print Wraps, one of our OG sponsors. We are wrapping this Nissan 400Z. 400. With the latest and greatest fade wrap option from WePrintWraps.com. I'm gonna show you guys up on the desktop in a minute what that looks like, but basically you can order a colored fade wrap for any size vehicle on their website.
In any color.
In like any color, and it's super, super easy. In the past when we've done these fade wrap designs, we usually have to pay a designer still like $1,000 design fee for them to show us a rendering and set the files up to have a really nice clean fade design or an ombre.
It's pretty hard to do.
It is pretty hard to do, but We Print Wraps did some magical algorithm stuff and they've gotten it where it's like any car, any color, just ordered on their website. So it makes it really, really easy where even though we have a printer in-house, our Mutoh 1682 SR, it's just easier to order their print with their design and their rendering and everything from their site. It's like more cost efficient for the client and for us. It just makes it a smoother process. So this is really cool, really revolutionary. I don't think anyone else is doing this yet. So you guys saw it first at WePrintWraps.com.
Dang.
This one in particular, we wanted to do a teal to black ombre, but it's actually checkered. So it's not just like the back is black and the front is blue. It's flip-flopped on each side.
Yeah.
So
green on front on one side.
It's like checkered fade, that's what I called it.
So each side you look at is totally different color.
Right. Also, the base of this print material is 3M 2080 Ghost Flip Pearl, which is a white iridescent with a rainbow sparkle. So
looking nice.
In the sun, this thing actually has like a really cool rainbow sheen kind of pop to it. You're not gonna see that so much inside. So you can also, on their website with their chat option, you can request a custom print base if you want to do metallic. That's usually what I recommend. Or like the Ghost Flip Pearl is a cool one. And if you want to do any special colors, you can custom request that as well.
We also did door jambs, so that was a custom,
Yeah, this was an add-on. So the owner of this vehicle is Don. He owns that one tattoo parlor. He's a very well-known tattoo artist. He was on Ink Master for a couple seasons, I think. So he does expos and like the whole 9 yards.
Cool dude.
We wanted to do a custom flip door jamb for him. So we actually took his tattoo flash art and put that in on the door jambs and the underhood.
Traditional little art pieces.
Yeah, like the traditional kind of flash art that you're gonna see at tattoo shops. So it's really cool because he has his own art within the wrap as well.
And then the actual jambs of the vehicle is the fade as well.
Yes. So check it out. Big project. We hope you guys enjoy, and we'll give you those ordering options later. Okay, so all you guys need to do to order the fade wrap online, you're gonna go to WePrintWraps.com. Under the wrap section, you can go to their pre-designed fade wraps, and then you're gonna see this option right here. So these are just some of the colors that they have, but you can request different colors as well. And you can also request custom print bases like what we did with the 3M Ghost Flip Pearl on this Nissan Z. They've made it really easy to order this. There's like 3 different sizes based on the measurements of the car that you're doing. You can also add on the hood, the front bumper, the rear bumper as well. So the ordering process is super easy. Just go on their website and order, and then make sure you guys use the code VinylVixen with no space at checkout for a nice little hookup discount. for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed. If you want to order your own fade wrap, make sure to go to WePrintWraps.com to their fade wrap designs, and make sure you use the discount code VinylVixen, no spaces, at checkout for a nice little hookup discount. And then...
What? And then
I
what?
even fed it to you, like, and then...
And then what?
Okay, bye.
Oh. Well,
You know, the sign out. Like you've never done an outro in your whole life.
I thought you were trying to get me to say something else about the car or something.
What do you want to say about the car?
Well, I don't know. I thought you...
Okay. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we will see you soon.